Hi, Mr. Crowley.
Hey.
Hi, I'm Reese. I'm the finance manager here at the dealership. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, may I call you Turner?
You sure can.
Oh, thanks. Have a seat real quick.
All right.
Now, I'll be going over all your DMV documentation as well as preparing the financing for your new vehicle.
Okay.
Okay. Now, while we're doing this, it shouldn't take too long. Now, before we begin, would you like anything to drink?
No, I'm good. I got a coffee over here.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Now, considering the growing family you're going to have, which one of the protection coverage do you think will be best for your family?
Well, I mean, I know which one. However, man, I mean, the gold is what I would do, but I mean, I just don't think I can justify the cost monthly on that. I mean, I don't know. It's just, it's just a little more than I thought at $489.73.
Right. Okay. Now, I'm kind of taking Pam a little bit out of it. You do believe that the gold is going to be the best fit for you and your family, though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
As long as it's affordable. I mean, obviously.
Yeah, and at $489, I just don't know.
Okay. Well, I kind of wanted to share with you a little bit. Are you familiar with the term Turner as far as a variable rate when it comes to the housing market?
Yeah.
Okay. And
it goes up.
Right. Okay. And kind of what I want you to take and consider as far as the variable rate goes is something that changes all the time, right?
Right.
So a lot of people, they would have $1,000 a month mortgage. Okay. Say in the month of July,
Right.
and then the month of August, what would happen to their mortgage payment? It would go up to about what, $2,000, $1,800.
Yeah.
It would be $2,000.
Yeah.
Okay. And with most people, they ended up losing their home because they couldn't afford.
For that exact reason. Yeah.
They couldn't afford it, right?
Right.
You're in the same situation here. Okay. Your payment right now, you have a base payment of $426 a month, and that payment at any moment can go up over the course of ownership of the loan. Okay. We call that a variable payment.
Okay.
What you want to do is get a payment that's stable for you and your family, something you can afford every single month that you know will be there.
Sure.
Okay. Something like a fixed payment.
Yeah.
Okay. Because what will happen in this situation with your 426 is you're going to have automotive repairs.
Okay.
Right. Let's say a CV joint goes out and you have to bring it to the dealership. Okay. Now, if a CV joint goes out, one of those parts is $300.
Yep.
And you can't get just one CV joint. That's going to offset the balance of the car.
Right.
You have to get two.
All right.
Okay. So that's $600 just for the parts.
All right.
Plus the labor. All right. At $120 an hour.
Yep.
Now, what if they need to keep the car overnight? Okay. Now you have to have a rental car, right?
Yep.
Okay. You still have to run around your errands. You still have to get to work. You still have to get your wife to where she needs to go. Plus, as well as you're going
We'll
to
have a kid probably.
daycare.
Yeah.
Okay. So your overall expense for one repair could be $1,500. Okay. Plus your car payment.
Right.
Okay. Now at $1,500, are you going to be able to afford that monthly payment?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
Now what these protection plans also do, Turner, they don't just protect your overall budget as far as being able to make the payment on a monthly basis, but they also protect your credit. Okay, because you work very hard to secure your 661 credit score. And what happens is if you put yourself in a position where you can't afford the monthly payment, your credit score is going to go down. Okay. Now let's say we lived in a cash society.
Yeah.
Okay. You would have to come in here today and buy this car on cash, right?
Yeah.
You wouldn't be able to get it on credit like you are today.
Right.
Okay. So what you want to do is protect your biggest asset that you actually have in society, which is your credit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, given the fact that you do currently have good credit, I'm actually in a position where I can stretch out your term an additional 6 months.
Okay.
Okay. That way I can make the protection a little bit more affordable for you and your family. So at 66 months for the platinum, it'll be $458. At 66 months for the gold, you're at $453, Turner. And at 66 months for the silver,
So,
you're
hold on.
$433.
You can get it to 453 down from 489.
I can get it to 453 with your good credit right now for the gold.
Okay. Well, that will work. I think that
Okay.
will definitely work. That
All right.
definitely work.
Well, just give me your initial there and the
Okay.
sign here at the bottom.
All right. And then where?
I need your autograph here at the bottom.